Alright folks, I got this model GE portable dishwasher. Alright. Got the Unicoupler, coupler, whatever you call it. If you guys are having this problem right here. Oh. Attach that. See it. Riser. I'm actually surprised it's not coming off. Alright, I know I'm a little boring, but yeah, usually it pops off quick. I don't know why it's actually holding, but besides that, a lot of people have a geyser problem. Now, GE does not make a repair kit for that like Whirlpool does, Kenmore, and all those other big name brands. They don't make that right there. GE, you have to buy this whole. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. Don't worry about that. This is my first video. I didn't clean up for y'all. Anyways, for GE, you gotta buy this whole new hose, take it apart, and reinstall it. Either that or you're buying a whole new unit. Forget all that. I'm cheap. So anyways, what I did was I went on eBay. I was looking all over. I've been looking all over the internet for it, and I cannot find no type of information of what to do when that hose breaks. So what I did was I went to Amazon or eBay and got a new kit, a Unicoupler repair kit. Didn't know if it was gonna fit because this is a Whirlpool brand, but for 15 bucks I said, why not? And all right, I'm gonna have to put the phone down real quick to actually, let me see if I can do it with one hand. All right, so you're gonna want to take this little number off. Yeah. All right, but yeah, what I did was, because it was only $15, I gave it a shot. What did I have to lose, right? Either $15 or either that, or I buy the whole new hose or buy a whole new unit. Why not go with the $15 option? What do I gotta lose? Nothing, because it was only 15 bucks. Anyways, the only thing the new setup doesn't come with is that little white one, the O one. But other than that, it looks almost identical. Everything you need except for this thing. But I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit or not. I still don't know exactly, but let's give it a go. That's why I need to get, this back up and running so we don't got, dishes. And I'm a lazy guy, so I'm not gonna sit here and I'm not gonna sit here and want to see this dishes by hand because I'm lazy as shit. All right, so now once you got that little O-ring, this piece, the new one, then we go ahead and put this white plastic O-ring in. this down for a quick sec. There you go. This little white piece is kind of hard to get. There you go. There you go. Now it's kind of fitted in there. It's kind of hard to get in. That's what she said, right? Bear with me, it's my first video. I know I'm kind of boring, man, but I just wanted to help a lot of people out with this one, saving time from looking at the internet. You go ahead and put these little teeth in afterwards. They kind of pop out really easy. See? Boom, 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 boom. Pop out really easy. But check these out compared to the old teeth. They've worn down. Actually, not really too much different, but you can tell they're worn down. Where they at? Where the fuck they at? Out here. Yep, they worn down. See that? So this is probably the reason why the water pressure keeps popping the coupler out. Because the teeth probably grind it down. Go ahead and put the spring on after you got that on. It's gonna be tricky. Alright, so this is the piece you go down. What you want to do to get this back on is you push it all the way down and it goes right there. And I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Alright guys, hold on 1 second. You know, and we're gonna get back to it. There you go. See? Alright, let's see if there's a geyser. There you go. Perfect fit. Whirlpool fits in GE. I hope that helps you. I'm gonna put the model number for all that good stuff. All the info and all that stuff. I'm gonna put that in the description for you guys. Alright man. You guys take it easy and I hope this helped.